if you were in your typical algebra class, what your teacher would do is just ask you to solve for m when this was, and they would just say that this was already 73. And this is all a bunch of word problems to get in the way of you recognizing it is as simple as that. So if we were to rewrite this as 73 equals 24 plus 3.5m, I can then just solve for m. And there's two ways to go about it. We can isolate it, or you can actually plug in for each of these answer choices to see which one would give you 73 after you plugged it here on the right side. But first we'll do the harder one, which is more applicable to other problems as well. And first we subtract 24 from both sides, 24. And then we see that 73 minus 24 is 49. 49 is equal to 3.5m. And now I can get m by itself by dividing 49 by 3.5. And that gives me 14, which is A. Now, what I meant by plugging in, and you would do this until you, well, let me just do it, then you can see it. If I were to replace this with all the answer choices, in this case, I would start with A, and I would be lucky here because I would get it in my first try. It's not always going to be this quick. That's why it's kind of a risk if you do it. But 3.5 times 14, that's 49 plus 24, and that equals 73. So I know that's going to be the correct answer because it's giving me 73 on both sides.